solo tour that is first time. So I'm going to share all of my experience. Stay tuned. Hello, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So it's 6th of April 2026 and it's a memorable day for me. This is my first solo tour to Kalimpong. And before I start the tour, it was a sudden tour, and there was a plan, but there was so many things happened, and plan was changed, altered. Whenever solo or any tour, have to be very flexible. You have to adjust with the situation. And today, 6th of April 2026, it's early morning around 1:30 a.m. Suddenly I had a stomach ache, and then I was coming and going. I thought the tour will be cancelled. Then luckily I have some medicine, that is O2. Ambizine was not working for me this time, and O2 worked for me. So I took that medicine. Of course, the dose doctor prescribed me, so that is how I take the dose. And it's around 5 p.m. So I am going. My train will be Uttarbanga Express from Shialda at 7:40 p.m. That is my train timing. So every time I book food from ICTC e-catering, but right now my stomach is upset. That's why I instructed my mother, so she made some chicken khichuri, diet khichuri you can say. So I will have that in dinner, and tomorrow I'll be in NGP. And then there will be lots of plan, and as I said, the altered tour, so I will stay at Eden. Eden by you see already Eden. I always stay there. It was not a plan to stay in Eden. I was basically going for doubling. So later on you will see all the videos and information that what happened with me. And by the way, this is my dress. This is a t-shirt I bought in 2009, and that is 50 rupees. And 2026 still I am wearing that. So this is the t-shirt. So I am going to get ready. Father was worried. He went for the drop and he never let me pick up the trolley, but later on I did it. And this is my medicine I had to take, and the khichuri, homemade khichuri. I'm taking chicken khichuri, by the way. I booked Jatri Shathi from Jadavpur to Shialda railway station. It was 294 rupees, the fare. Online করে দিচ্ছি 6:35 Shialda. We reached. My mom was at home and I was not scared, but I was worried about my stomach upset. That was the main thing. I bought snacks from Neelam food always, so I bought this time chicken sausage roll. It was 40 rupees, so I keep it. If I'm hungry in the train, I will have it. The train started on time, that was 7:40 p.m. and my seat was in upper berth. I actually choose the upper berth because I don't want any problems, so I was sitting with other people, so it was quite boring for me, but later on all the co-passengers were good to me. I am here. Uttarbanga already started on time, and as usual everywhere the sound is there. So basically I am traveling solo, that's why the lady RPF came here, and she gave me a number 139 if there is any problem, so that I can call them. This is the safety I can see, and I am traveling in sleeper class, not the AC. And as my one thing I have seen that whenever I'm ordering food through IRCTC e-catering, the price is less, including the GST. The price is less. But when I saw today in Shialda, the same food center, Neelam Food Center, the price is at least 20 rupees extra. Though I'm not well, so I'm carrying my own food. And this is the difference I have seen right now. So within 8:30 p.m. I had my dinner, and as I said, co-passengers were really very good, and I was sitting all the time in the upper berth, sitting, sleeping. So nobody was, annoyed, and they actually started talking with me that who is in my house and why I am going solo. So that was my khichuri, which my mother made, and I really enjoyed it after a long time. And it's time to sleep. 4:32 That's my upper berth, and I was settled over there. So I was carrying a storybook, Srikanto Monjil Rahosyo. It was really nice, and this earplug, because people are playing mobile very loudly. So I use my earplug. I don't bother about anything. P-safe is mandatory. So I'm going to sleep. In the next vlog, I will meet you at NGP.